Want the best pigeon cages in Florida? Florida Bird Supply has the largest variety of sizes, from single to 8-unit cages in white, blue, and green. Our cages are made with welded aluminum frames and fiberglass panels, weather-resistant and durable for long-lasting protection. Each unit comes with an aluminum feces tray, easy to clean and reuse. Need convenience? We offer removable cage doors and front covers. Check out our products tab for more details. Come visit our warehouse and see our inventory in person. Experience our top-notch fabrication process firsthand. Located at 549 West 28th St. Hialeah, Florida 33010. Call us today at 786-560-7584 or email floridabirdsupply@gmail.com.
Thank you.